Hello friends, welcome to the CAD Master STAAD Pro VATI tutorial series. In this tutorial series, we will see the detailed information about structure, that is steel design, concrete design, beam design and foundation design. Now what is a structure? A structure can be defined as an assemblage of elements. STAAD is capable of analyzing and designing the structure consisting of both frame, plate/shell and solid elements. Almost any type of structure can be designed by and analyzed by STAAD. Now there are different types of structure in STAAD Pro VATI. That is space, a 3D frame structure with load applied in any plane. This structure is most in general. For example, we can take the bridge and building where the load is applied in three-way, that is the x direction, y direction and z direction. In next we see the plane. This structure type is bounded by a global x-y coordinate system with load applied in the same plane where the load is applied only in two directions. After that we see the truss. This structure type consists of a truss member which can have only axial member forces and no bending in this member. In figure we see the truss and their various types. Now steel design. Structural steel design is an area of structural engineering used to design the steel structure. This structure includes school, colleges, houses, bridges, tall buildings, warehouses, aircraft and stadiums. Now concrete design. A concrete frame is a common form of structure comprising a network of columns and connecting a beam that form a structural skeleton of building. This grid of beam and column is typically constructed on a concrete foundation and used to support the building floor, roof, wall, cladding and so on. Now beam design. A beam design is a structural member subjected to a system of external forces at right angle to its axis. Basically, beam is designed to support the load from wall, slab and flooring, where the load is transferred to foundation through column. This is about the beam. After that, we see the foundation. In engineering, a foundation is an element of structure which connect it to the ground and transfer the load from structure to the ground. Foundations are generally considered either shallow or deep. These are all about the structures and their information. Thanks for watching this video.